Hey everybody, Justin Senior here. How's it going? In this video, I'm going to teach you how to sell high quality print-on-demand hoodies with really strong profit margins on Shopify. We're going to be using the US Print Factory app, and we're going to be able to build things just like this funny cat hoodie that you see on the screen. So first of all, what is print-on-demand? And it's by far the best business model that's online right now. You get to sell hundreds of different products like t-shirts and hoodies like I'm going to show you here. And you're never going to have to touch the product. You're never going to have to pay for it up front. You're not going to have to deal with fulfillment or shipping or packaging or bubble mailers or shipping labels, any of that stuff. It will all get automated for you. And it's really just in the name, right? Print on demand. Print means produce. So your products are going to get created only when they're demanded. And in e-commerce, that means when they're ordered. So basically, you get to sell a product that doesn't exist. You'll collect profit for it first, and then everything else will be automated. I'm going to walk you through it right here. You'll be responsible for creating designs for your, let's say, hoodies in this case, right? Maybe you want to build funny cat hoodies or sports hoodies or whatever it is. You'll create designs. You'll add them into your store using the USPF app. I'll show you that at the end of the video. Once you have products in your store through the app, customers will be able to buy them just like any other product. They're not going to know that these products don't exist yet. They'll go ahead and order and pay for those products. And the best part is this is when your job ends. You're going to collect your profit, and automatically the print-on-demand company is going to receive the order information. So they're going to be able to get the order information. They're going to get the address, the shipping address, the size, the color, the design, all that information. And then they'll start to actually produce the product and then ship it out to the customer. They're even going to provide the tracking number on your behalf. So everything happens automatically. That's why this is the best business model out there. And what you're going to be able to do with USPF is sell hoodies with really great profit margins and have a really healthy business, talking about $20 plus profit margins, at least, depending on how you want to price it. Some brands can get up to $30 of profit margin when they use USPF hoodies. So first things first, it's just a 4-step process. We need to install the USPF Print on Demand app. You see the link for it on the screen here. We're going to go over the shoulder at the end of this video, so you'll see exactly how that works. And it's going to really give you everything that you need, not just hoodies, but a full catalog of apparel. So step 1 is going to be install the app. You see the link on the screen and below this video. Step 2, you'll click create, and you'll be able to select a new product. We're going to find the unisex hoodie, great for men and women, and we're going to add it into your store. You'll promote it via ads or emails or social media, however you promote your products. So very powerful. You'll be able to build hoodies like these, and just in a couple minutes. We'll go over the shoulder. You'll see just how easy it is, but it's hoodies and so much more. They have $5 t-shirts, just all about making great profit margin here. So, we could sell these for $35, $39, $44, these hoodies, and they're only going to cost us $15, $16. So really powerful over here. Let's go over the shoulder now. I'm going to show you exactly how USPF works, and we'll build a hoodie and throw it into my store. You're looking at the US Print Factory app. See the link again below this video. Free app to install. All you need to do is come to this link, click the Add App button, bring you right into the app. And once you're in there, you can create a free account, and you'll be brought into your new dashboard. Once you start having orders, you'll see all of your kind of stats here, revenue, profits, etc. But once we're in here, we're going to be able to come up into the top area where you see products, and we're going to click create. And this is where we're going to see the entire catalog over here. We could select through and browse through all of these different categories. You'll see things update. Of course, actually pay attention to the $4.99 t-shirt over here. Here's the women's t-shirt over here as well. We have down here $4.99, kids t-shirt $4.99, right? So lots of different options, but really click through all these. Take a look at all the different things over here. We have our hoodies right in this section. Again, you see the cost directly down there. So an entire big catalog over here. You'll also be able to manage everything inside here, plus get support. So you're really going to be spending a lot of time inside here, especially as you go through this designer here to build your product. So I'm going to go ahead and select this unisex hoodie. You see the cost over here, $15.99 each, and we'll click Start Design. This is going to bring us into our USPF designer. Really easy to kind of walk through here. We see our product information here. We see our shipping cost here, so you can set up your shipping rates. This is actually all going to get sent over with the product. You can take a look at the sizing chart here too. Next, we could select colors or multiple colors. And let's say you only wanted to have, let's say, purple, for example. You could uncheck them all, just have purple. We're going to go with black, the most popular print-on-demand color. And we'll add some of the big sizes as well, just to offer as much as we can. We'll come back to this in a second because we need to go and add the image. This is where we're going to actually add the design. And again, you see the cost right over here at that $15.99 mark. Very competitive, one of the cheapest, if not the cheapest, giving you a great profit margin. So you want to take your print-on-demand design now, click add image. And you'll simply take that image, drop it or upload it right over here. I've already done that, so I'm gonna go ahead and select my print on demand image, and you see it gets added directly on top of the hoodie. Next, what we're gonna do is select the sizing. We have a full print, 3/4 print, half print. I'm gonna come back over here to full print. We could change the spacing as well in terms of how it comes down. I'm just gonna go with normal. You could even make chest, left or right chest, like those little pocket prints. You can look at the back side as well for a design style there. But what we're gonna do is just a one-sided print. We have our design here. We've selected our colors and sizes. We're now gonna press next. This is gonna start to build the product. What we need to do now is give it a name. We come down over here, we could actually see that there's an area for us to build the description as well. So we could do things like copy and paste in that product description if we wanted. We're gonna come over here and add that info. Okay, so I entered in the product description. I entered in the product name, the title of it. Come down over here, I could even choose categories. I put it on my homepage category. You could add tags if you want. And then I came down here and I set the price universally to $39.99. You see your profit margins for each size, making a healthy $24 every time you sell a normal size small to extra large. So very, very powerful, great profit margins here, and incredibly easy to set things up. Really only 2 steps. You just upload your design, setting your colors, and then you enter in the description and product name. You could put anything you want here. You could format it, right? You could make things bold if you want, really whatever you want. It's just a little example here. But once you're ready to go, once you're confident about it, you're gonna click create product in your store. And pretty much instantaneously, just takes a couple seconds, this product's gonna be added into queue and getting imported. What does that mean? Well, it's actually gonna be sent over into our live store. So we'll be able to see this product just like a customer would, and I'll show you that right now. And here it is. Super soft cat yin yang unisex hoodie. You see the description, right? I bolded it in a random spot. Like everything coming out just as we wanted it to look. Very, very easy to do. You see the different sizes over here. We can click through here and see the price, right? You can add the product to cart just like any other product, right? This product, this hoodie does not exist, but once someone orders it and pays $39.99 plus shipping for it, our job ends, we collect our profit, and that's where USPF steps in. They'll actually go ahead and produce this, ship it out to the customer. They'll even provide the tracking number on your behalf. So incredibly easy, incredibly powerful. You could build an entire product catalog with Shopify and the USPF print-on-demand app.